Jimmy is one of our favorite clients. He is so much fun, and his story is really remarkable. I'm going to tell you that. He comes to us in his first session, and he has this mobility problem with both of his shoulders due to arthritis, that he can't really lift them above here. Plus, he's got this ankle that's had so many injuries in it that it's really lacking mobility to the point he's hobbling around. And I joke with him in the first session, well, you know, we're not going to be able to make you a football wide receiver or a ballerina, but everything else is on the table. So we start working on strength training and mobility through the joints. Ultimately, he does go to a surgeon who replaces his left shoulder, and it's a pretty major surgery, but it goes well, and he is able to get a little bit more mobility there and take away some of the pain. The rehab goes well. He goes back in about a year to the surgeon, shakes that surgeon's hand, and the surgeon says, I can tell just by the way your handshake feels, you're going to need that same surgery in the other shoulder. And x-rays do confirm this, so it wasn't complete overreach by the surgeon. But, you know, Jimmy's like, you know, I don't know if I'm really quite ready for that trauma on my shoulder again, or on my body. So he's like, let's just watch and wait. Meanwhile, we keep working. We keep plugging away on strengthening the rotator cuff and the deltoids and the back muscles. We keep working on his posture. And, you know, he says, you know, I don't have pain anymore. I think I can wait a little bit on this surgery. And a few more years go by. I don't have any pain at all. It used to hurt to lay on that side. Doesn't hurt anymore. So I think we're doing well. We get by. It's 15 years later, and the surgeon has now retired because we've stayed this off so long. And Jimmy's like, thank goodness, you know, I didn't have to go through that second surgery. I'm really happy with the way the first surgery went, but, you know, I didn't need it on the other arm, and I'm really happy that we never went there. So Jimmy had said he's long wanted to tell me that when he was at his 62-year-old physical, his nurse practitioner said, you know, anybody over 60 who doesn't get a personal trainer is crazy. Jimmy didn't fancy himself as crazy, so he picked up the phone and gave us a call and got started on his physical fitness. And instead of spending time in doctor's offices, he's spent less time in it, and he's lifting dumbbells rather than going under the scalpel. You too can do that.